Hi everybody, I hope you can hear me. So I'm at Oxford Street and today I'm going to tell you what you should pack and should not pack when you're going to Thailand. Make sure guys you stay right till the end of this episode as I will tell you what you should not take as well. Because I don't want you to waste your money and just buy stuff that you're not going to need or you're not going to wear whilst you're in Thailand. So make sure you stay right till the end. I'm filming and someone else is also filming. Oh, and if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Natalija. My channel is everything that you need to know about moving abroad, living abroad, moving to Thailand, daily life in Phuket. So if this is, and you know what, I talk about so many useful subjects like bank accounts, how to get the visa, how to get driving license, the cost of living in Thailand, you know, so much useful stuff. So don't forget to subscribe if this is what you're looking for, and enjoy today's episode. So I'm doing packing for Thailand and I'm going to go through with you exactly what you need and what you don't need, so you don't overpack like I did the first time I traveled there. Right, underwear, get plenty of that, especially if you're not flat-chested. So if you like C cup and up, get shitloads of that. Do not get anything in white color because it's going to be yellow within probably one wash. Okay, classic today, so it's quite a few classics. So just to show you around. So you have both manicure and pedicure. Your feet are like mine, a massive one, 7 to 8, get loads of shoes. Ideally, get things without the sleeves and the material that you will not be able to see sweat. So that kind of stuff. So it's me, in case you miss me, hello. Do not take any warm stuff. I can tell you, you're not going to be using. So fleeces or long sleeve is definitely not an option. Been there 9 months, haven't worn it once. Actually, I did, lying. I did do it, but only to protect myself from the sun when I'm driving the bike. So obviously, I'm in my favorite 𝐻𝐸 𝐲𝐚𝐿. 𝐷𝐸. That's 𝐷𝐞. That's who I normally have my facial with. The baggy stuff can also work. You know, it's just something like this. By the way, this is for women. I've just realized that I'm doing a whole women packing, not a men. Sorry about that, guys. I'm absolutely knackered, but try to get the shoes without the back because it's just nice and easy. Also, I was touching my spots and stuff in the fitting room. But that's what you do anyway, right? Okay, so perfect kind of outfit is this: no sleeves, short. Okay, high-waisted so I can eat more. Shorts, flip-flops or trainers, maybe different colors, kind of coordinates so it's matching. You can glam it up if you do the makeup, the hair. Voila. Oh, and I forgot to mention, last thing, honestly, I'm just useless. I'm useless in these kind of things, so hopefully you can support me. Can you subscribe to my channel, please, as well? I meant to mention it like 10 times during the videos, and do I do that? No. So please, guys, subscribe. I would really appreciate, as it will help my channel grow.